Hey there, Tomek here. I'm a full stack dev making web apps and sites for Polish clients, but I'm looking to expand globally. My goal is to break into the international market. I'm reaching out because I create medical software, but going global is tough due to complex certification processes. It might not even pan out, but since I found your company, I wanted to show you what I'm working on. I think it'll be worth it. Alright, let's take a closer look at the software.
Hello, we are on the main page of the application, which you can test for free, absolutely without any charge, of course. Here's a brief demo of my software. So what exactly needs to be done to run such a demo successfully? Just simply and easily click Try Demo. After clicking, a comprehensive dashboard appears with all the vital information, such as the complete number of operations performed in a specific hospital, procedures scheduled for any given day, and the available number of doctors in addition to the departments they are a part of. Here, a summary displays today's scheduled procedures being conducted at our hospital. Additionally, the section provides insights into the hospital's performance data, allowing us to view total procedure numbers and the percentage of procedures carried out per department, all of which can be edited, a process that I will demonstrate soon. There are categories like cardiology, neurology, and urology, ensuring the dashboard contains all critical information. The latest activity can also be viewed right here on the dashboard. This dashboard can be customized in any preferred way to add new functionalities. Moving forward, let's explore the first option, which is patient management. Clicking gives us detailed information like a list of all patients, the option for adding a new patient, and assigning a patient to a specific doctor. We can see all patients here right away. We also have comprehensive information about assignment to a specific doctor. If we click here on assignment to doctors, we are able to view doctors and their capacity details, including information on how many patients they are able to manage and handle efficiently on a daily basis. Let's proceed and add a new patient to the system, ensuring they are assigned appropriately.
Clicking on Add New Patient, let's enter Test Patient. We can of course choose the gender from the available options, enter the age accurately, and input the necessary contact information for future reference and communication.
And assign it to a specific doctor, allowing us to easily enter information about prior treatments. Click on Add Patient, and this is the first option for assigning new patients. How do we have a patient added? Which we can easily and clearly see here on the screen right here. We can, without any hesitation, click Assign. Certainly now we have some very important information to discuss. We have the ability to assign a doctor manually by first selecting the appropriate department, such as orthopedics, as an example. For instance, we could choose Dr. Robert Shen. However, there is also the option to use the advanced auto-assignment feature for patients, which is conveniently available here for your ease. By clicking Auto Assign, we instantly see that we have a certain department visible. What we need to do is click the Auto Assi button. Then we can observe that the patient has automatically been assigned to Dr. James Wilson. He currently has the capacity to operate on the patient. It is an essential feature because our program can automatically assign patients to doctors. It shows this on a specific basis.
to determine the capacity of doctors and procedures, the procedures we perform. We click on procedures, click edit, and we can describe to which department the procedure belongs, the duration of the procedure, but we can also set the level of the procedure.
We can easily set it from a scale of 1 to 100. We can, of course, utilize different labels like A, B, C, D, E, and so on, based on the specific requirements of a particular hospital's operations. All these functions can be enhanced for efficiency here. Okay, let's set it up here, for instance, to a specific procedure. A critical procedure, meaning very important.
We click update procedures and the procedure updates immediately. Functions here allow us to manage various tasks like adding new doctors, editing assignments to departments, marking a doctor's availability status, such as being in surgery or unavailable due to vacation periods or other reasons. We can securely save changes, introduce new procedures, and allocate time for specific procedures as demonstrated earlier, showcasing enhanced flexibility in procedure management.
We can also add departments as hospitals differ quite a bit from one another based on distinct needs and functions. A new department was uniquely added after clicking, so we can see it here and also fully edited.
Let's click edit. Here we can set who is the head of the department, the number of doctors, the unit's capacity, a number of beds, how many are occupied, so many features in this program. Very important are the analyses.
Because this way we can see the performance of our hospital and continuously monitor, for example, the occupancy of a particular department. We can also effectively analyze the success rate of operations and any possible complications that may arise. And based on this crucial data, we can implement strategic improvements. As for the settings, the software is created in 2 languages, English and Polish. So there's basically nothing stopping us from adding another language and further expanding on the software I've developed. So I encourage contact and I strongly encourage ongoing testing. Of course, I must emphasize that the software is in its MVP form, meaning it's a minimal viable product, but I am fully capable of implementing such detailed and specialized software. And to start cooperation, primarily on a partnership basis for continuous and ongoing operations would be ideal. All the best, and once again, I invite you to test, as your feedback will be invaluable. Best regards.
Yes, it's true. I'm use AI tool for recording this video, and I think I can communicate with my natural voice. I'm trying.